Raila has never been in Jubilee, so he doesn't attend meetings in Jubilee. He is never doing his things the way he has been doing them before.
Mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga kuga ndari na itanya ria guthukia kiama kia Jubilee kumana na weiguano wake na President Uhuru Kenyatta.
Tatizo kubwa la taifa letu la Kenya ni viongozi matapeli na wakora ambao wanasema hii wanafanya kinyume.
Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto gukirira mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga akiuga arahujia mai nowe akanyua ndibei. Atumia ndigwa kuma kaunti-ini ya Nyeri guthagania kigomano gia kureria mathina maria mamagumeire. Na thiini wa tabarĩra ya mutumia ngatha turaraniria na Felicitas Wangui urotungatite tana thiini wa makiria ma thibitari 7.